The Demand Duo R-Series hybrid water heater easily replaces any standard efficiency atmospheric tank. By combining up to 119 gallons of storage capacity with the efficiency and durability of a tankless that conveniently connects to a 6-inch single or double wall B-vent. Because the R-Series eliminates thermal stress by heating water in the tankless heat exchanger, it has 2 times the warranty of most tanks. Delivers hot water all day long, even during high spike draws in demand, and provides an entire tank of hot water, unlike most tank-type water heaters that provide only 70 to 80% of the total tank capacity. The Demand Duo R-Series is also easy to transport, weighing 100 to 200 pounds less than tanks in its category. And installation couldn't be simpler, with included adapter to connect to existing double wall B-vent. With pre-installed drip leg and 3-foot gas swivel flex line. And duplex outlet to conveniently connect electrical, dramatically saving you time so you can profitably get on to your next job. Switch from atmospheric tanks to the all-new Demand Duo R-Series and deliver better performance with 2 times the warranty and reduced installation times. Find out more at www.rinnai.us.